Hey, so in this video we're going to see how to add some genes and non-genes to create a decision tree on branch. Genes and non-genes are the simplest features you can add to a tree on branch. So if you want to add a gene, all you have to do is click on this button, and this box here is a type ahead. So as soon as you type in the gene name, it's going to look for the particular gene in the dataset and retrieve a drop down of all the features that exist in that dataset. You can see here that the brief gene summary, Go terms and gene riff terms are shown. As soon as you click on it, what happens is a decision split is made, and right here, since genes usually represent the gene expression values that are in the dataset, it's usually a binary split in the sense that there are only two different nodes. If you want to see the distribution of data in the dataset, you can click on class distribution, and this graph is shown here. Um, all the data here in this graph is arranged in ascending order, and the two colors, blue and red, represent the two classes, which is red for relapse and blue for no relapse of breast cancer. You can also change the bin size in this graph as you see fit. The split point here is 5.25. What that means is all the cases in this node have an expression value of less than 5.25, and everything here has a greater than 5.25. To change that split value, you can drag this line around, and as you can see, the distribution changes. The green line here represents the original split point that was calculated. To see the accuracy of each node, you can just click on the chart, and what you see here is that 55% of cases in the dataset, that is all the cases here, 55% of them are present in this node, and that 57% is the accuracy of this node. What this means is if a case lands up in this node, then it is 57%, there's a 57% chance that the cancer will relapse. In this case, it's going to be 72% accurate that the prediction that the case that lands here will not have a relapse in breast cancer. So to add another node to this tree, you have to click here, and this time I'm going to show you how to add a non-gene. So once you click on non-gene, it's a similar fashion, it's a type ahead. So if I pick a feature like age, what's going to happen is there's a brief description that's shown here, and once I select it, all the cases that were there in this particular node are going to be split into two different nodes. As you can see here, age obviously is not a very good feature to add here because both the nodes have the same class. So what that essentially means is that this particular feature here hasn't made the entire classifier any more accurate. If you can see, the accuracy remains the same. In any case, to see the distribution again, all you have to do is click on class distribution. If you think that the tree here is too small, you have a zoom feature that is present on the left. Right now it's set to fit to screen, so as and when you add nodes, it adjusts the height and the width to fit into that screen. So if you want to zoom in, all you have to do is click on the plus icon here, and it zooms in, and you can see the class distribution and so on. So that's the basic features about adding genes and non-genes on branch. To delete a node, all you have to do is click on delete, and so on.